What's up mga lame persons and welcome to my first vlog. And for today, I'll be doing a walk around of my car and then I'm also going to be installing a rear visor. So you guys ready?
Yeah.
So these are my sisters, Louise and Maki. So yeah, let me give you a walk around of my car. So yep. That's my 2012 Honda Civic. I have these Bosch Europa. I have LEDs. And I got LEDs for the fog lamp too. They're tricolor. So what I have on my car right now are lowering springs LNT 1.5 drop. And I have these Steiner wheels which I got from Japan. So these are actually 18s by 7 I think, and then the tires I have on are Sport Tracks and it's a 225/40 tire. So I'll probably change these tires when I receive the new rims that my dad got me shipped from Japan. Their work wheels. So yeah, I'll be waiting for that, and then I'm probably gonna get thinner wheels, and then I'm gonna have it poke out a bit more because look at that fitment's so terrible. See that? So yeah.
Guys, if you see this car, it's not ours. If you see this car, it's not ours.
What is this?
If you see this car, it's not ours.
Whose is it?
It's
Yeah. Okay. This is my interior. I got that lemon air Spencer. I got a B-width rear view mirror, and I've already installed LEDs on these. So my the sound system I have right now is Focal, and I have them under the seat. So I got these tweeters installed, 2 of them, and then that over there is my rear sensor. This is my interior, the back. Yeah, that's for the interior. Hey Lois, what are you doing?
ow.
Now we'll install the rear visor, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. So as for the trunk, I have a lot of stuff.
You can see that.
I have a subwoofer made by Power Edge. I have my shoes in the back, some chairs, some tools, my plate, my other plate, and this is what I'm gonna be installing today. Just this piece,
Yeah.
the
The thing.
rear visor, because I can't install the ducktail yet because 1, I don't know how to install it, and 2, it's a different color. So this is Taffeta white and this is Championship white. So you gotta get that painted.
This came from Taiwan. Taiwan made. My dad shipped it from Japan. That's where he is right now. It's gonna be going up there. Yeah. So, yeah, we'll get this installed going. tape because, you know, it's really pretty easy to install with the end tape because you got this and you just gotta pull it out and then push down the thing so it sticks. So, I'll keep doing more of this. Alright.
Now that it's installed, we're just gonna wipe it, right, Luis?
That hurt.
Can you hand that over to me? Can you throw the tape? Can you reach it?
It's not tape. That one?
Hey, yeah, that one too.
I'm gonna go.
We installed it, right, Luis?
Yeah.
See, like that. You can barely see it here, but it's there. So, sucks that I can't install the ducktail because the color doesn't match. That's about it for today.
Yeah.
It's quarantine right now.
Yep.
I'm here in the Philippines and there's really not much to do, so I'm probably just gonna wait for, you know, new parts to install on the Civic. I'm waiting for rims. I'm waiting for the ducktail. I have to get it painted first. And what else?
I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. Thank you for watching my first video. Bye.
Your
Bye-bye.
first video.